Africa has been holding some of the mysterious secrets about human history, out of which only a few have come to the surface. However, further exploration into Africa has brought things humans can have never believed otherwise. For instance, archaeologists have found bones of a human species we don't know about. What's more, a confusing skull of a child has also appeared in Africa, which changes human history. Perhaps it's the skull of a human child before Homo sapiens appeared. But what more have scientists found in Africa? Welcome to a new episode of Black Culture Diary, a channel where we talk about less known and hidden Black history, culture, arts, and lost civilization. We scrutinize history here to bring the Black culture back on the surface again. In this episode, we will show you the shocking discoveries in Africa that are changing how we make understanding of the world. Let's get started. Number 1. New widow spider. In 2014, a distinctive spider was found in South Africa's Tembe Elephant Park, capturing the attention of scientists. This spider possessed a striking appearance, with an exclamation mark-shaped marking on its back and a unique squiggly white pattern that resembled a horrified human face with an open mouth. As of now, this spider has been identified as a new species called the Finda button spider. The Finda button spider is closely related to other notorious widow spiders like the black widow, redback, and katapo spiders. It is believed to be potentially the largest widow spider in the world. Barbara Wright, the explorer who initially discovered this remarkable spider at the Tembe Elephant Park, revealed that its venom is neurotoxic. This means that if someone is bitten by this spider, immediate medical attention is required. To add to its intriguing features, female Finda button spiders also display bright red spots on their underbelly. Furthermore, their egg sacs exhibit a captivating shade of purple, and each sac contains approximately 600 hatchlings. It is undoubtedly a spider one would prefer to avoid encountering. Number 2. Homo naledi. In 2013, a group of people exploring caves made a big discovery that changed what we know about how humans evolved. They found bones in a hidden part of the Rising Star cave system in South Africa. These bones belong to a kind of human that nobody knew about before. We now call them Homo naledi. The bones of Homo naledi had a mix of old and new features. This made scientists think that this human species lived at the same time as our early ancestors, Homo sapiens. They might have played a part in how humans evolved. What makes Homo naledi special is that their brains were much smaller than ours, about 1/3 the size, but their hands and feet showed that they were good at using tools and objects. Scientists think that Homo naledi could do complicated things and had a social structure similar to ours. We still don't know exactly how old Homo naledi is. Scientists used a method called radiometric dating and estimated that the bones are between 236,000 and 335,000 years old. But more research is needed to know for sure where Homo naledi fits in the timeline of human evolution. Scientists are still puzzled about how the many skeletons of Homo naledi ended up in that cave. Some experts think the cave might have been a place where they buried their dead. Others believe the cave might have been a dangerous trap that caused a whole group of early humans to die. Number 3. New continent and ocean. In the Afar region of Ethiopia, located in the heart of East Africa, a remarkable geological phenomenon has captured the interest of scientists and adventurers. It is the ongoing splitting of the African continent, giving rise to a new continent and ocean. This process has been unfolding over millions of years, and the Afar region serves as a focal point for this extraordinary event. Situated at the intersection of 3 tectonic plates, the Nubian, Arabian, and Somalian plates, the Afar region experiences continuous movement as these plates interact. Their forces push and pull against each other, resulting in an exceptionally thin Earth's crust in this area. As a consequence, magma from the Earth's mantle rises to the surface, creating a landscape dotted with volcanoes, hot springs, and geysers. Amidst this dynamic environment, the splitting of Africa is taking place. The only visible evidence of this gradual process is a 35-mile-long rift that formed in 2005. Known as the East African Rift Valley, this rift measures over 50 feet in depth and 65 feet in width. Scientists predict that over millions of years, this rift will continue to expand, eventually dividing Africa into 2 separate continents. The smaller continent will encompass present-day Somalia and portions of Kenya, Ethiopia, and Tanzania, while the larger continent will comprise the remaining landmass. Consequently, a new ocean will gradually form between East Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. This development opens up the possibility of countries like Kenya and Uganda gaining a coastline due to the emergence of this new ocean. Number 4. Dinosaurs. In the remote wilderness of Zimbabwe, a team of scientists conducted 2 expeditions in 2017 and 2019, leading to the remarkable discovery of Africa's oldest dinosaur, the Emberosaurus rothii. This significant finding has greatly advanced the field of paleontology and provided valuable insights into Africa's prehistoric history. The name Emberosaurus is derived from the local Shona language, reflecting the location where the fossils were unearthed. The species name rothii honors the paleontologist Michael Roth, who initially reported the fossils found in the region. This dinosaur, believed to have existed over 230 million years ago during the Jurassic period, holds immense scientific importance. The Emberosaurus rothii was a small herbivorous dinosaur, measuring approximately 6 feet in length and weighing around 60 pounds. Its slender body and long neck enabled it to access vegetation in hard-to-reach places. The discovery of this dinosaur is not only thrilling in itself, but also opens up new possibilities for uncovering additional information about the diverse range of dinosaurs that once inhabited Zimbabwe. This finding suggests that Zimbabwe was once a habitat for various dinosaur species, highlighting the potential for further exploration and the potential for even more fascinating discoveries. By studying the Emberosaurus rothii and its ecosystem, scientists can gain a deeper understanding of Africa's prehistoric past and the unique dynamics of its ancient ecosystems. This newfound knowledge contributes to our overall understanding of Earth's history and the evolution of life on our planet. Number 5. Blue Hole. Nestled along the coast of the Red Sea in Egypt is a remarkable natural wonder that has fascinated divers and adventurers for many generations. It is known as the Blue Hole, an underwater sinkhole located in Dahab. With its impressive depth of over 100 meters and surrounded by steep cliffs, this destination has become a magnet for thrill-seeking divers. Exploring the depths of the Blue Hole requires certification and experience in deep diving. It is not suitable for inexperienced divers. However, for those who possess the necessary skills and courage, the rewards are extraordinary. The deep blue waters are teeming with schools of vibrant fish and beautiful coral formations, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. Nevertheless, the allure of the Blue Hole is accompanied by a history of tragedy. Many inexperienced divers have lost their lives, earning it a reputation as one of the most perilous diving locations worldwide. While there is no official record, estimates suggest that diving-related fatalities at the Blue Hole may exceed 200 in recent years. Before we continue further, tell us, are you enjoying the video? If yes, please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos on Black culture, history, civilization, and identity. Let's continue now. Number 6. Creepy dead ancient trees. In the Namib Desert, there is a peculiar location that appears straight out of an extraordinary painting. In a barren white clay pan known as Dead Flay, an eerie sight awaits. This haunting landscape is adorned with ancient trees that have long been dead and scorched black by the relentless African sun. It may be hard to fathom now, but merely 900 years ago, Dead Flay, which translates to dead marsh, was a flourishing oasis brimming with life and vitality. However, as the climate changed and the desert expanded, towering sand dunes cut off the valley from its water source. The once lush forest succumbed to the arid conditions, leaving behind only the skeletal remains of trees that now stand as stark silhouettes against the sky. Their twisted branches reach up like bony fingers, creating a haunting scene. The harsh and dry climate of the region has prevented the trees from decomposing naturally, thus preserving them as eerie reminders of the past. This unique site has attracted photographers, filmmakers, and adventurers from all corners of the globe, captivated by its unsettling beauty. The striking contrast between the white clay pan and the blackened trees generates a dramatic and otherworldly atmosphere. Furthermore, the absence of any vegetation in the area contributes to a sense of desolate isolation, as if one has entered a forgotten realm. Number 7. Eye of Sahara. The Eye of the Sahara and the lost city of Atlantis have fascinated scientists and adventurers alike. The Eye of the Sahara, also known as the Richat structure or the Blue Eye of the Sahara, is an extraordinary geological marvel located in the vast expanse of the Sahara Desert in Mauritania. It is a circular formation with a diameter of approximately 50 kilometers, making it one of the largest and most striking structures visible from space. At the center of the Richat structure, there is a raised plateau that stands more than 600 feet above the desert floor. Surrounding the plateau are concentric rings of rock, forming ridges and valleys that create the appearance of a giant bullseye. The layers of rock in the structure consist of ancient sedimentary rocks, such as sandstone and limestone. Scientists believe that the formation of the structure is the result of a combination of volcanic activity and erosion. Over time, these processes gradually expose the different layers of rock, forming the unique circular pattern we see today. While scientists have provided explanations for the formation of the Eye of the Sahara, there are alternative theories that captivate the imagination of some individuals. One such theory suggests that the structure could be the remnants of the legendary lost city of Atlantis, as mentioned in the writings of the ancient Greek philosopher Plato. However, it is important to note that there is no solid scientific evidence to support this theory, and it remains a subject of speculation and intrigue. Additionally, due to its concentric rings and circular shape, some believe that the Richat structure could be a man-made construction. Nevertheless, whether it is a natural formation or the remains of a lost civilization, the Eye of the Sahara continues to captivate people around the world with its mystique and allure. Number 8. Stones of Heaven. Some stones are so mysterious they seem to have come from heaven. This is the intriguing tale of the enigmatic blue stones obtained by Italian geologist and archaeologist Angelo Pittoni from Afula Chief in Sierra Leone, West Africa, in 1990. According to the native tribe, these stones were bestowed upon them by extraterrestrial beings from the sky. These mysterious stones possessed unique characteristics that captured Pittoni's curiosity. When he brought them back to Europe and subjected them to testing in research laboratories, it was revealed that they were unlike any known mineral. Despite extensive analysis, researchers were unable to explain the distinct blue color exhibited by the stones. Even under a microscope, the blue hue became invisible when the stone was reduced to fine particles. Furthermore, extreme heat or acid failed to alter or break apart the stones. Pittoni noticed that the blue stones resembled pure turquoise, a gemstone often found adorning the chests of Egyptian priests. Inspired by their exceptional nature, he referred to them as the Stone of Heaven, suggesting that they differed significantly from any other known gemstone. The origin of these blue stones remains a captivating mystery. Could they truly be a gift from extraterrestrial visitors, as claimed by the Fula tribe? Alternatively, do they hold secrets from ancient civilizations that have long faded into oblivion? The enigma surrounding these stones invites further exploration and research to uncover their true nature and the secrets they may hold. Number 9. Child of Tong. In 1924, quarrymen in Tong, South Africa, made a remarkable finding that would reshape our understanding of human history. While working in the Buxton Lime Works, they stumbled upon the small skull of a child. This discovery caught the attention of Raymond Dart, an anatomist and anthropologist, who immediately recognized its profound significance. Dart proposed that the fossilized remains belonged to an early human ancestor, a hominin species that lived approximately 2.8 million years ago. Dart named this newfound species Australopithecus africanus, meaning the southern ape of Africa. At that time, prevailing beliefs held that early human ancestors originated in Europe. However, the Tong child, as it came to be known, challenged this notion by becoming the first early human fossil discovered in Africa. It provided compelling evidence that Africa was the birthplace of humankind, supporting the out-of-Africa theory. This theory posits that modern humans evolved in Africa before dispersing to other parts of the world. The significance of the Tong child extended beyond its confirmation of the out-of-Africa theory. It exhibited significant anatomical features, displaying a brain size and teeth resembling those of apes, while its skull and dental arch shared similarities with humans. This intermediate form between the two provided valuable insights into our evolutionary history. Between 1936 and 1947, additional Australopithecus fossils were unearthed in South Africa, this time belonging to adult specimens. These subsequent discoveries further bolstered Dart's initial claims, solidifying the Tong child's status as an early human ancestor. Today, this remarkable fossil holds great reverence as a pivotal piece of human history. Its discovery revolutionized the field of paleoanthropology, forever transforming our understanding of our origins and the journey that led us to where we are today. Number 10. Stonehenge of Africa, the Nabta Playa. located about 700 miles south of the Great Pyramid of Giza and 60 miles west of the Nile, is a stone complex that rivals the famous Stonehenge in England. Discovered in the 1970s by archaeologists, it consists of a series of stone structures aligned with the stars, earning it the nickname Stonehenge of Africa. However, the Nabta Playa is even older than its English counterpart, dating back over 7,000 years. This ancient site features stone circles, megaliths, and other structures believed to have been used for observing the stars and tracking the changing seasons, serving as a calendar. The people who constructed these structures were likely nomadic herders who moved through the region with their animals. One of the most significant structures at Nabta Playa is the Calendar Stone Circle, comprising 4 pairs of large stones and various smaller ones. In 2007, archaeoastronomers and archaeologists conducted a study confirming that the stones were possibly aligned with stars like Sirius and Arcturus, the Alpha Centauri star system, and the Orion Belt. Number 11. Bird of Saqqara. The Saqqara bird, discovered by archaeologists in 1898 in Saqqara, Egypt, is an artifact that has intrigued researchers and the public alike. This ancient object, estimated to be 2,200 years old, has the shape of a modern airplane with a bird's head. It has a wingspan of 180 millimeters and weighs 39.12 grams. Despite its age, the true purpose of the Saqqara bird remains a mystery. The lack of documentation from the period it was created adds to its enigmatic nature. This has led to speculation that the ancient Egyptians might have had an understanding of aerodynamics. Some theories suggest that the Saqqara bird could have been a functioning model of an aircraft or glider. However, not all researchers are convinced. Mainstream experts propose alternative explanations, such as the Saqqara bird being a child's toy, a carving of a bird, or an early weather vane. The controversy surrounding the Saqqara bird persists, and opinions on its significance differ. Could the ancient Egyptians have possessed knowledge of aerodynamics that is yet to be uncovered? Or is the Saqqara bird simply a captivating, albeit ordinary, artifact? The debate continues, leaving room for interpretation and further investigation. Number 12. Namibian fairy circles. Deep within the vast and seemingly barren desert of Namibia, a captivating mystery awaits discovery: the Namibian fairy circles. These perplexing circles, each measuring approximately 39 feet in diameter, manifest as perfectly round patches of barren earth encircled by lush vegetation. Astonishingly, millions of these circles stretch across a staggering 1,100 miles of arid grasslands in southern Africa. For decades, scientists have grappled with unraveling the origins of these enigmatic formations, yet no definitive answer has emerged. One theory suggests that termites may be responsible, as they consume grass roots, leaving behind the barren patches. Others propose that the plants themselves may somehow be influenced to grow in this peculiar pattern. Some even speculate that these circles may hold the key to understanding how life can thrive in such an unforgiving environment. After watching all this, do you think Africa might be holding more secrets? What more can the scientists find if they explore and dig the land as they do in Egypt? Let us know your opinions on what if we are missing some important pieces of the human records. For instance, what if humans didn't evolve from apes? Do you want to watch more videos like this one? If yes, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon next to it. We have decided to bring videos on something nobody talks about: the Black culture, civilization, history, and evidence about how glorious blacks have been. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, stay tuned.